Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and first off I want to welcome you to this page. If you're on this page, there's a very high chance that you're looking for a better, faster, and easier way to get traffic, sales, and leads for your online business, right? If you're not, then I'm not sure how you ended up on this page, but you still might find something useful, so feel free to join us. Because on this page, you'll see how we've once again disrupted an entire sector when it comes to getting free targeted traffic to your offers from the best traffic source on the planet, Google. Yep, I don't care what anyone says. Google is still the undisputed king of delivering the best, most targeted, and highest converting traffic than any other source out there. Think about it for a second. Getting traffic from Google is the only source where users are coming to you. They're looking for a solution to a problem and typing in a keyword into a search box and landing on your video or niche site, which provides the solution they're looking for. You're not trying to capture their attention. You're not having to use fancy ad copy or ad images. You're just ensuring that your content is in the right place at the right time when they perform that keyword search in Google. And on this page, we're going to show you exactly how you can ensure that your content is the one that shows up first in Google so that you could be the one that captures the traffic and sales from those searches. And to make it even better, we're also going to show you how we're going to do all the grunt work for you as well. So if you'd like to get page one rankings like this and this and this, and turn them into profit like this and this and this, then you're on the right page, because we've been doing that successfully since 2012, and we've gotten pretty good at automating our entire process, which is what we're here to talk about today. My promise to you on this page is to show you exactly how to get your sites and videos ranked on page one of Google by leveraging our new high quality, done for you social syndication system. Yup, quality syndication that delivers page one rankings on a silver platter. But at